I think that pig was using my leg as a scratching post. Hello, baby girl. I just fed them Charlie buckets, so now they're happy. Y'all, oh, yeah, she still got some Charlie bucket on her. That looks like grits. Oh! I think even the cow was licking one of the pigs. She's like laying on my foot. Oh, yep, rubbing. Okay. My dog's gonna love these smells on my legs. Yeah. Hey, baby girls. Happy Monday. Think we're all gonna take naps later. Oh, I got a lot of animals right at my feet. Be nice, everybody. What? The cow is licking the pig's face. Everybody loves each other right now. Be gentle. This is my Monday morning. Be gentle, cow. All right. This is so funny.